Oh. I know that was a little exaggerated, but if you have any like real actual damage to this guy, maybe the lens is broken or the casing itself is cracked or damaged, I'm going to show you how to pop it out and replace it. I like to put tape here on the top just to help protect this finish, just so we guarantee that we don't scratch or do anything to this paint. All we're going to do is we're going to use this little pry bar, we're going to stick it in, and you're going to actually push down instead of pry out. If you pry out, you risk kind of breaking these little plastic clamps in here. So all we're going to do is go straight down. You should hear a little snap, and if you look back in here, you'll actually see these little plastic clamps. What we're actually going to do is attack the other two clips. There's going to be one here and one here, and we're actually going to come in from inside the fender well to get up in here. So all you really need to do for that is pop this one clip down here in the bottom, and then we're just going to pull this shield back out, and then that'll give us access to reach in here. And all we're going to do is take our hand and we're going to kind of push on these clips, and we're just going to help get them out. I like to use this little plastic pry tool, but you can easily just use like a flathead screwdriver or something of the sorts. Just be a little bit more careful if you are using metal on plastic. You just have a higher risk of breaking it. If you have a Model Y, you're actually going to have to pop this little plastic trim piece off down here at the bottom. What I like to do is just kind of roll my fingers on the inside, and you should kind of hear it clip. Yep. And then that's all we're going to do. Just get these first ones out. And that's going to give me access to get in here behind. If you have a Model 3 though, you're not going to really have this trim piece that you have to deal with. You'll be able to just kind of get this little plastic shield out from behind, and that will give you the same access. So once you're inside, you're going to have again a clip here and a clip here, and you're just going to use your hand and work. You're going to push up and try and get that clip to come out. Once you have it free, it should just come right out. These are pretty simple. We're just going to push that down, this little toggle right here, and kind of jiggle it out. Same with this guy. You're actually going to push down right there, and it comes right out. So once you're ready to put your new camera in or replace your old one, we're just going to get these cords back out. Big one goes here. Push it in until you hear that nice good click. Do the second one. It will click as well. And then to reinstall this, we're actually going to start with these bottom ones, so it'll go in kind of like that, and then we'll roll it in the rest of the way. So when you go to reinstall this trim piece, just a quick tip, you do want to get this guy, this little knob, tucked back into this slot right here. So we're actually going to kind of twist. Once you get that in there, that should help you align all these holes. You can kind of look to make sure that they're going in. And then once they're going in, we just give a nice good hit. We're going to take this guy and we're going to replace him too now. So I like to pull it out, fit it in, and then you're just going to lock it back shut.